Innovative alfalfa cubes produced by the natural wealth of our land and high-quality standards of PAX. Pioneering company in the production of this 100% natural forage. Products manufactured by PAX stand out for their high quality, making them the favorite choice of the most famous farms in the country. This is thanks to the fact that Chile has a favorable climate that varies according to geographical location of forages. The quality of land, mainly between the 4th and 7th region, stands out from other countries, making our alfalfa the best solution to your needs. PAX cubes, pioneers in Chile and Latin America, make it possible to control daily alfalfa intake because it can be measured out. In addition, they improve hygiene in farms. Large warehouses are not required for the storage of cubes, and they provide an excellent homogeneous quality in time, resulting in animal health. Each cube of alfalfa has a high digestibility, which ensures full use of alfalfa nutrients. Fiber composition ensures a good digestive transit and a balanced intestinal pH. Excellent source of vitamins, B complex and minerals, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, chlorine, zinc, copper and iron. Dust and mold-free, perfect for sports horses. These benefits considerably reduce the risk of animal diseases such as anemia, obesity and epiphysitis. The same applies to infectious diseases, which have a greater impact on those undernourished or malnourished animals. The consumption of cubes of alfalfa PAX is well accepted on stud farms of the best rodeo, horseback riding, endurance riding, horse racing, polo horses, walking horses and all kinds of sport horses. Alfalfa cubes are also consumed by the most important and prestigious dairy farms of the country. PAX manages to solve different problems because it is easy to feed animals with cubes. Feeding cost can be reduced up to 20%. It is also important to point out that a third of storage space used in bales can be reduced. Nowadays, the plant has a production capacity of 80 million kilos of alfalfa cubes per year. The first stage of alfalfa cube production is the process of selection of raw material. For this purpose, PAX, with over 20 years of experience in this field, manages and controls 5,500 hectares of alfalfa, where you obtain the best forages of the country. To fully accomplish this step, specialized personnel focuses their attention on stem, length, flowering and color. After accomplishing this meticulous stage, the process of cutting begins. Then the grass is allowed to dry for 3 days to be raked and baled. Highly qualified experts verify the color, the absence of weed and moisture, which is a crucial factor since a wet bale does not pass the control. For better security, our experts check once more the moisture conditions of the bales in the trucks where they will be transported. If they show over 15% moisture, they will be rejected and returned. By this method, we ensure that our products are carefully selected. Once this stage is completed, the bales that lie in the green fields waiting to be chosen are strategically packed and later transported to their destination. The PAX plant, located in Valdivia de Paine, 40 kilometers south of the capital. Upon arrival at the operation center, the high-quality product is ready for weighing. Again, however, the moisture is measured. And just then the bales are discharged, sorted and collected. Although the collected bale can sometimes look faded on the outside, causing an appearance of poor quality, the inside condition, color and quality remain intact. What happens is that the sun and wind fade the color of the bales. But this only occurs on the outside, because the inside characteristics of the bales remain unbeatable. Subsequently, the personnel reviews the bale again and approves the intervention of the first machine in the productive chain, the mincer. The process continues with the injection of moisture through sprinklers. After this, the bale passes through a compression process, and finally to the making of the alfalfa cube. In order to always optimize quality controls, the product passes through a conveyor belt. The moisture from before is extracted with air, and impurities are removed. PAX demands a certain process which requires that each cube passes through 2 metal detectors, capable of separating any unwanted element. Once this selection is done, cubes are transported into 2 areas. The first, where the bulk finished product is stored, or directly to bagging the distribution in the national market. When the production goes to different international markets, the approval of the Agricultural and Livestock Service, SAG, is required. This organization is responsible for regularly reviewing these procedures in order to meet with the regulations for export products. If the product goes abroad, the load is packed in containers and transported to ports for shipment. Through this tour, we have seen how the leading company in alfalfa cubes, PAX, has a detailed and meticulous process that solves the animal feeding efficiently and with high quality levels. An innovative system that is useful and profitable. A product with the guarantee of Chilean fertile fields. And that through a finished process, it is ready to be shown to the world. An answer to your needs that can only be provided by PAX.